Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is an embroidery on cap, okay, for male caps, although they actually do for female too. So I actually stumbled on this location in Lagos. So I decided to share. You can see it's actually an embroidery.
Let this Alaji abeg come share details with me. Come share details with me. So for this embroidery cap now as a day, like how many can you make in a day? Like one person like how many hours does it take to finish one design? Did you get what I'm asking? As a day, so like how many hours do you need to finish this particular one? Like you fit use one day, abi you one go day complete, one day you go use complete one day, yeah, to finish one cap. Yeah. Eh, it dey take long like that. You know say that one na harsh work. Na harsh work. But if the design not too much like this, you fit use half day. You go reach one day. You go reach to do one particular cap. Yeah. Okay. So if I want do am now, if I get a man, shey na for male you just dey do, abi female you fit do for woman too? You dey do for woman, you dey do for man. Okay. So but that one na for man, no be for woman, na for man. Okay.
So amazing people, you can see work in progress. I believe this hand embroidery is neater, kind of. I feel some people actually prefer, when they do it manually like this, although you can actually make use of machines. But this share with me in the comment section, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the manual one or the machine one? You can take a look at this. How do you see this work? I believe it's neat enough, or what do you think? This is lovely. These are going to be transformed into caps. So those caps that you see, this is how they actually process them. What do you think? And concerning the fact that it will take a complete day to be able to finish one particular cap, what do you say about it? Do you think it's actually time consuming like that? Well, it actually looks so though, because it's a very beautiful work. It takes a whole lot of strength. And what do you think? Do you like this particular design? Share that with me in the comment section. So I'm going to put in the description box on how you can actually find these guys, okay, in case you need any of this and embroidery pattern, or they have different patterns. Actually, this is not the only patterns they have. You can come with your pattern and they can actually give you samples of what they have done before. So guys, feel free to actually drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.